Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a Walmart haul and another Dollar Tree. So that's 3 Dollar Trees in one day. 3 different Dollar Trees in one day. But the reasoning, after I show the Walmart, you'll understand. Um, so my granddaughter, Allison's birthday is the 10th of August, but they're combining Lakota, whose birthday's in June 21st, and Allie's August 10th. They're having one big birthday party on the 25th of July. They picked the month that neither birthday were in, and having one party for both of them this year. So Coda got some gifts already on his day. Allie will get a gift, and we're buying her a chicken. Allie's chicken, Booyah, a raccoon got in the cage, pen, whatever, coop, and killed it about 2 weeks ago. And we asked her if she wanted another little chicken, and she said yes. So in August, we're going to the chicken farm. I talked about this on one of my lives. So she'll get that gift on her birthday or the weekend of her birthday. But on the 25th, I wanted to have something for her. And she also is getting these books, which I just ordered from Amazon for her. She loves reading. Allie's a reader. Let's see, what are they called? They are called Warriors Omen of the Stars box set, volume 1 through 6. I have no idea, but that's the book she wanted. But she asked me, because I asked her for ideas, and she's like, cool school supplies. And I'm like, what do you mean cool school supplies? You know, the notebooks that have pictures on, and I'm like, Lisa Frank, and she's like, who's Lisa Frank? So I kind of showed her, she's like, yes, those now. So this was a cool set I actually came across of Lisa Frank. And or at least it looks like Lisa Frank to me. I could, it may not be, but yeah, Lisa Frank. And it was $6. So you get a tablet, a binder, and a folder. So it's the puppy dog, and then there's the folder. I wonder if I can open this without. No, but there's the picture. Come on, camera. The binder has the unicorns. So I got her that, and it says Happy Birthday Binder Bundle. I thought that was kind of cool. So I got her that, and then they had a few, they didn't have any tablets at Walmart of Lisa Frank other than, the one in a bundle. So, because I found a couple folders, got her this folder, got her the unicorn, I got her the dolphins. Man, I remember the dolphins since I was a kid. But I'm thinking, so I got her them, and she's hitting middle school this year, so she's the in thing. And then Diamond, because I sent it to Diamond to make sure she didn't pick the binder, binder set up for Allie. She's like, no, Mom. And I'm like, okay. And then she calls me. She's like, go to the clearance section. Because she knows I'll buy a head for Christmas if I can afford to. And she says, and Riley, she loves bows. And these were $2. He saved $1 on them. So I got her that one. I got her these. And I told Diamond, I said, when she outgrows bows, don't get rid of the bows because I'll use them for crafting. These one, and then this one, and then this set. So I got them for Riley. I'll put those away for Christmas. Or St. Nick at Christmas. And y'all heard me say, I've been on the lookout for Colors of the World. The Colors of the World by Crayola. Well, Walmart had them. So I'm excited. So I got the crayons, Color of the World crayons, 32. I got the markers, 24. And I got the colored pencils, 24. I wonder where the crayons got 32 and the markers only have 24. Interesting. I wish they had the thin markers, like, the thinner ones in this Color of the World, but I didn't see it. So that is all from Walmart. Well, then I went to the Dollar Tree to pick up some accessories for Allie, and I grabbed a coloring book, Color the World, also. So let me come in and color. So I got that. I'm on the Dollar Tree now. This was from Dollar Tree. Got that. So here is the Dollar Tree. And a few weeks ago, I hauled this book, the Rose Art Museum, and I said if I found another one, because after I opened it, it was such a cool book. I'm like, I can't destroy this book, but if I found another one that I could destroy, I'd buy it. I found another one today at that Dollar Tree. So I went because I wanted a few more tablets to go with Allie's birthday present, and it didn't have like any Lisa Frank ones other than the one that was in a set. So I went to Dollar Tree, and they didn't have not really a lot of novelty ones at my Walmart. So I went back to the Dollar Tree, and I picked up this one. I thought it was just a little novelty one, and the polka dots. And I got her also. All right, baby. This little journal, because she likes journaling now. I thought it was pretty. It's just a bonus. I call these the bonus gifts because they're only $1. Oh, excuse me. And I got her this. And I got her these. And I think she has a locker this year. So I got her a mirror. And here's her wrapping paper. Okay. And I think that's all for Allie. Yep. So that's all for Allie's birthday. Plus the books and the chicken. Plus I think I got something put away for her already. But she'll enjoy that. And then her godmother's mother always buys the kids backpacks for their birthdays. So I don't know. I did buy each one of the kids their first year their backpacks, but Sue buys them a backpack, and so I think she'll like this. I don't know if, like I said, if she has a locker that you can put the mirror in, but I figured, well, it's not. It's just a mirror. And I didn't go with crayons or anything because I don't know if they need that in middle school anymore. But so and these are like mechanical pencils, and I like the color of them, and I thought it just kind of coincided with everything. All right, so that's that. That's for Allie. Now, other stuff I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Oh, whoops, one more thing for Allie. I got her this pom-pom tassel kit. I figured she might make it. She probably could put it, because she always dangles stuff off their backpack, because earlier I got her the little fox for her backpack. And I thought maybe she'd want to do this for her backpack. So I picked her up that at the Dollar Tree. All right. That's that. Now to my stuff. Ooh. Okay. I came across beads today. They're the light colored beads. So I got 2 packs of those. Never been in my Dollar Tree before, so I thought that was cool. So I grabbed them, and then I picked these up. I love using these. Some pocket letters, ATCs, and this one's like the pink and purple. I don't know if you guys can see pink and purple. This one is red. This is Packer colors, green and gold. This one is light blue and a dark blue. So I picked that up. And then earlier today, I found these. I said that kind of look like gears. I can hopefully paint them. And if I can't, I'll let the grandkids play with them. I came across this type at this Dollar Tree. It's like, why can't you get this all in at one store? But that's all right. And it was this shape. And I still thought they looked kind of like yours. So I grabbed them. And you get only 14 pieces in this set. That's alright. Now, look, I needed more stickers. But saw this one today. 58 donuts, unicorns. This gets 58 pieces on that. And then, oh, I also bought this for myself. I like the fact that I can tape it and have it. It goes from August 2021 to July 2022. And I can write upcoming stuff, stop when I send swaps out, and so forth and so forth. So I grabbed that. I thought that was kind of cool. Okay. And I have no idea, and I didn't, why. I don't know why I bought 4 of these. But I thought I grabbed 4. Don't ask me. But there are Boxy Girls Unbox Online Shopping Fun, 110 stickers. I thought they were cute. I think it was in My Day in the World that showed these. I thought they're adorable. I think I bought 2 sets for myself and a set for the kids. That's probably why. Or, who knows, might be in a giveaway. They remind me of kind of like the Brat dolls, kind of. They're so cute. Push. Adores chick. So, that is my haul. Yep, that's it. My husband asked me, are we home to stay? I'm like, you're the one that said we had to go to Walmart. And he goes, and then you came out of Walmart saying you had to go to the Dollar Tree. I'm like, yep. So that's all, everybody. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. And if you ain't subscribed, subscribe. You never know what's going to come out on Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I'll be honest with you. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now.